Neuraltext AI Enterprise Marketing Platform App. The pros, the cons. Neuraltext AI Enterprise Marketing Platform App promises to revolutionize marketing content creation with AI, but is it the right fit for enterprise teams? On the positive side, Neuraltext AI helps enterprises generate marketing copy at campaigns, blog content, and social media posts quickly. Its AI tools analyze competitors, optimize copy for conversions, and suggest headlines, making campaigns more effective. Integration with marketing platforms allows teams to streamline workflows, while content templates reduce repetitive tasks. Many enterprises report faster content production and improved engagement rates. However, there are some limitations. AI-generated content may require human review to ensure tone accuracy and brand alignment. Complex enterprise campaigns may need additional customization beyond the AI's suggestions. Additionally, pricing for enterprise features can be high, and the learning curve for advanced functions may require dedicated training. Most people get this wrong. They assume I can replace a marketing team. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext works best as a productivity enhancer, not a replacement. Human oversight ensures messaging remains consistent, legally compliant, and brand aligned, while AI accelerates repetitive or research-heavy tasks. In conclusion, Neuraltext AI Enterprise Marketing Platform App is ideal for enterprises seeking faster content generation, competitive insights, and workflow efficiency. Its AI-powered copywriting and campaign suggestions can save time and improve performance, but maximum results come when teams combine AI with strategy and editorial oversight. When implemented thoughtfully, Neuraltext AI can boost content output, improve engagement, and support large-scale marketing operations.